Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm not going to waste much of your time. I have a technique I want to show you guys that's actually going to make you sound complex, right? It's not going to make you sound basic also, even if you're a beginner, right? So, and it's called the raking technique. Raking. I've been using this technique for a while, but I rarely use it when playing in songs or something like that. Maybe I feel sometimes it's not even necessary, but I want to actually start infusing it, all right, once in a while in what I'm playing. So it means I need to give it more time. So that's why I'm here to also teach you so that we can give it more time together. All right, it's actually called the waking technique, like I said. So and this is how it's going to sound. Let me play very slow. So, yeah, you know, so say it sound right. So like I said, I need to actually work on it also to get my desired speed. So it's very simple technique, right? So it's just a hammer on, right? Any you can use any key. Alright, so but I'm using this key for this instance, right? So it's just hammer on. So one, then one, then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, right? Hammer on, you strike the same string, 1, 2, right? Hammer on 1, 2, then you hammer on down 1, 2. There's the octave, right? So hammer on 1, 2, octave 1, 2, hammer on 1, 2, octave 1, 2, right? So right, right, down, 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 down. Get it? So hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, right? So it's more with the hammer on. Very slowly. So hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2. Go to the next one. Hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2. So you can use the major scale for this instance, right? Hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2. Right? Make sure those notes are complete, right? You see, I'm also making mistakes. I need to actually get used to it. So woo! This is an interesting technique, I promise you. Very interesting. So, like I said, it's a waking technique. It's very interesting. It's actually going to make you sound complex, even if you're a total beginner. Very simple. So, hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2. That's just all. Hammer 1, 2, hammer 1, 2. So you can just so this you can use this as an exercise. So what I'm playing is la, mi, so, re, right? The mi, do, which is 6, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1. You get it? So you can put the metronome. Let me try using the metronome and see if I can make it through. So it's fast. I'm not going to survive this one. So just you see, I'm making mistakes. So let's go. Go. Okay. Let's try stepping it up. Yeah. I cannot. I don't go survive this one. So, ha. Nah lie. I'll have to step it down. Let's step it down. Yeah. So, it's still not clean. The only way for me to get it more cleaner is I have to step it more down and play it on a slower metronome or on a slower tempo. If you can actually get it cleaner on a slower tempo, you can get it cleaner if it is fast. So it has to be clean if it is that slow, or it has to be very clean when it's slow before you want to think of stepping it up, right? So nice, something like that. Very important though. Very important. So it means I myself, I need to work on it more, right? I need to work on it, even though I know how to use it, but practically, when I'm playing on a faster tempo, I cannot be able to use it. So it means, like I said, I need to practice.